Welcome back to another Printing Center USA tutorial. Today we're going to be using our free downloadable templates to create print-ready files. First, visit our website and select a product, then click Free Templates. Scroll down and find one that matches your product, then download it in the application you have. In your downloads, we want to open the template zip file, then select the product file, then click the Adobe file and open it. This is our file in InDesign, and here you can add your images and text. Before exporting, I need to hide the guide layer by opening the window drop-down and selecting Layers. Now you can see in our Layers tab here, there's a layer that says Do Not Print. We want to deselect that by clicking this eye. This disables the guide so our project doesn't have guidelines in the final print. Now we can export our print-ready file. Go to the File drop-down and select Export. Here you can name your file, select PDF Print, and save to your desktop. In the Export Settings pop-up, click All and Pages, then go over to Marks and Bleed and make sure Use Document Bleed Settings is selected. Then you can export. And that's how you use our free templates to create print-ready files. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful print tutorials like this, and thank you so much for watching and happy printing.
Get online, pick a design.